Hokuto City, Yamanashi Prefecture. In this lush green highland region, you'll find Uchu Brewing, a craft brewery and retailer.
We focus on hop-forward IPAs and beers packed with real fruit puree. That's the kind of beer we make.
With bold recipes and uncompromising quality, they earned a gold medal at the 2015 World Beer Cup, one of the world's biggest beer competitions.
As for the taste, I could say it's fruity, but honestly the word that fits is mind-blowing. One whiff of the aroma and it feels like your head might burst.
Supporting Uchu Brewing are Anton Paar's analytical instruments, Alcolyzer 1001, CboxQC, DMA 35, and TPO 5000.
They're like part of our team. Without them, we couldn't brew beer. We use 4 different instruments because we're obsessed with measuring quality precisely. During brewing, especially fermentation, there's still so much we don't fully understand, so we measure everything we possibly can. If we want to recreate a beer or make something close to it, we need that data. Otherwise, it's impossible. So my philosophy is simple: track everything that can be tracked. About the DMA 35, analog methods vary from person to person because everyone reads values a little differently. But digital readings give us consistent, accurate numbers no matter who's using the device. You need the wort or beer at the right temperature, otherwise specific gravity won't be accurate. But the device corrects for that automatically. We measure real beer and wort samples, and the DMA 35 needs only a tiny amount, which helps reduce product loss. It's incredibly simple. Draw the sample, press once, and you're done. The CboxQC measures dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide. Analog devices often require handshaking systems, and results can vary wildly depending on technique. But with the CboxQC, carbonation is shown as precise numbers, so anyone can get accurate CO2 readings. For beer, the rule is simple: the less oxygen, the better. And we're talking about incredibly tiny amounts. Most dissolved oxygen meters on the market can't measure that low, but the CboxQC can. Being able to measure that was a huge breakthrough for us. Honestly, we couldn't brew without it anymore. The TPO 5000 measures total oxygen inside cans and bottles. For us, that was another game changer. Before we had it, we could measure dissolved oxygen in the liquid. But canned beer has headspace. You can hear it slosh when you shake it. And we had no way to measure the oxygen there. But that oxygen level is crucial. If headspace oxygen is high, the beer oxidizes, so keeping total oxygen low is essential. That's why we're so glad we invested in the TPO 5000. It measures everything at once. And then there's the Alcolyzer 1001. Alcohol content has a huge impact on flavor. We used to estimate it from gravity before and after fermentation, so we only had rough numbers, never the exact value. Accurate alcohol analysis is tough without the Alcolyzer 1001. You'd need distillation and other lab-style steps. But now we just take beer from the tank, filter it, run it through the machine, and get precise alcohol and extract readings. Saying it cut the workload to 1/10 might sound dramatic, but that's honestly how it feels.
It's incredibly easy to use. We rely on it almost daily. Many steps take just one touch, and it gives accurate results even during short breaks in work. For our team, it's equipment that fits naturally into the workflow. We use it every day. It feels like a trusted companion.
The future of Uchu Brewing, moving forward with Anton Paar.
We'll keep brewing in pursuit of the ultimate flavor we imagine. And we hope to continue working together to measure and refine beer quality. If we can create beer so good it changes the lives of the people who drink it, that would be our greatest reward.